Go ahead.
Food is as good as always.
Thank you for coming here in Richard's Bakery in National City, California. And nice to see
Our
you
pleasure.
again, both of you.
Nice to be here.
Nice to be here too, huh? And I'm glad that you're here tonight. Where are you guys going now after?
Back home.
Back home?
Eat some bread.
Okay, so this is what you got here. Panisal, they have Noi Noi. It's Noi Noi Panisal right there. So you're going to see Mr.
I hope to see him next month.
Oh, really?
You know who will be here
Yes.
in October? I'll bring him over.
Who?
President Ramos.
Oh, my Lolo.
Lolo mo ba talaga?
Ramos. My grandma is Ramos.
No,
Rufina.
He will be here in early October.
Oh, yeah? In library?
Well, we might come to the library. I haven't made the schedule. Oops. I haven't made the schedule yet.
Okay. Let me know,
I'll let you
please.
know.
Actually, I have something for him. I made a like tobacco style bread, but it didn't come out yet. So when he come here,
Okay, I'll let
maybe
you know.
we're gonna have some, lunch for that.
Okay, I'll let you know.
Yeah. Thank you for coming. And
thank
would you like
you.
to say something for your kababayan in Philippines? Maybe.
Hey, we make the bread here in National City just as good as in the Philippines.
That's
There you
good. How about for you, ma'am?
Sounds good. The bread here is wonderful.
Thank you so much for supporting us all the time.
Definitely.
Not even the bread, all the events and everything.
everything.
You guys here, I know, remember that. Thank you so much. Have a good
Thank you.
night. Thank you.